Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing, update Capcut, then reboot your device so cache is clear and processes stop. Once done, free at least 500 MB of storage and close background apps to give Capcut resources. Make sure your source clips share the same frame rate and audio sample rate. Mismatches cause drift. Import a short test clip and enable high-performance mode if available. This first set of actions removes common system causes and gets you into the app ready to diagnose audio lag. Now you diagnose the lag, play the test clip and note the delay in seconds or frames. Use Capcut's audio sync tool if present, otherwise apply a manual offset by nudging audio track left or right. Make sure the project FPS and audio sample rate match your clips. If not, change project settings to match. Once adjusted, render a short preview. If lag persists, convert the audio to a common format like 48000 HCWAV and re-import to eliminate coda-caused delays. Finish by rendering a 10-15 second export to confirm audio and video stay in sync. If you still hear drift, remux the video with neutral audio or re-encode audio to 48000 HCWAV, then re-import. This often fixes codec timing issues. Make sure hardware acceleration is toggled. Try both on and off to test behavior. If nothing helps, clear Capcut's cache and data, or reinstall the app to remove corrupted settings. This single troubleshooting step resolves many stubborn lag problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.